If you like our video, click the subscribe button to subscribe to our channel and get easy access to new content. To see our full suite of ad-free video courses and training materials, visit us at teachucomp.com. Time reports let you see information about the time data in QuickBooks Online. Like all standard reports, you can customize these reports by using the Customize link or button. You can also print, email, or download them as PDFs or Microsoft Excel files by using the respective buttons within each report. To view the time reports in QuickBooks Online, click the Reports link in the navigation bar. Then click the Standard tab in the page to the right. To search for the time reports, click into the Find Report by Name field and type the search term Time. Then select the name of the desired report from the drop-down menu of report choices that appears. Alternatively, you can find the first two reports under either the Employees or Payroll report categories when you scroll down the standard page. They are the Time Activities by Employee Detail and the Recent or Edited Time Activities reports. The Time Activities by Employee Detail report shows the time activities entered for each employee and includes the activity's rate and the duration. The Recent or Edited Time Activities report shows the 25 time activities most recently entered or edited within the company file in the last 30 days. The final two reports are the Time Activities by Customer Detail and the Unbilled Time reports. They appear respectively within the Sales and Customers and Who Owes You report categories on the standard report page. The Time Activities by Customer Detail report shows each customer and the time activities for that customer. The description of the time activity, its rate, and duration all appear in the report. The Unbilled Time report shows all billable time activities not billed to a customer. It breaks down the unbilled time per customer. It contains the activity's description, rate, duration, and amount. Remember to click the subscribe button to see more of our videos. Get ad-free courses at teachucomp.com.